Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to undo in Webflow. Now, for us to get this done, the first thing I'm going to do is head over here to my Webflow. And yeah, say for example, you have made a mistake in while editing your Webflow. Say for example, I'm going to go ahead and try to delete everything that I have here. So I'm going to delete this, delete that. And yeah, let's say I have messed up a lot here and I have deleted so many things or made a mistake in so many ways that I can't imagine. Now, it's actually very simple. Now, to fix this, you can just head over to your keyboard and just hit Control Z, and you should be able to see them coming back just like so. There you go. And yep, that is how simple it is to undo here in Webflow. There aren't any buttons here you can click in order for you to get that done. You can just go ahead and click Control Z in your keyboard and you are done. And that, everybody, is how easy it is to undo in Webflow.